from dangerous snakes straight to your plate. Inside the crazy factory making snake meat for restaurants. Bro, they cook the snake meat for food. Then tan the skin for luxury phone cases.
Before any processing begins, everything starts here, at professional rural collection centers.
Each snake is carefully inspected and documented before moving forward. Only verified batches are approved for factory transport. Handling is done calmly to reduce stress and ensure safety. Once secured, the crates are sealed and ready for transport. The journey now enters a controlled industrial environment. This is where factory-level processing officially begins. Before entering the plant, strict biosecurity protocols are applied. Nothing moves forward without full sanitation clearance. Here, the cobra is moved into a controlled inspection tray. Visibility and control are critical at this stage.
Every cobra is checked for size and condition. Only approved batches move forward.
Every cobra is checked for size and condition. Only approved batches move forward.
Drying prepares the body for precise handling. Alignment matters for clean processing. Drying prepares the body for precise handling. Alignment matters for clean processing.
Once approved, the process can begin. Nothing moves without confirmation.
Every process starts with control. In modern facilities, safety and precision come before anything else. This isn't guesswork. Every step is mapped down to the millimeter. Modern factories rely on alignment systems to keep everything exact. At this stage, trained technicians begin separating the outer layer. Everything here is done slow, controlled, and by the book. The separation is clean and controlled. No rush, no damage. This precision keeps both materials intact for later use.
Once separated, the skin is transferred for its own processing line. Nothing here goes to waste. Everything has a purpose.
This marks the end of the skin separation stage. From here, both materials move into completely different processes.
With the skin removed, the process shifts to meat handling. Everything stays labeled, tracked, and perfectly controlled.
This step is all about consistency. Every portion is shaped to meet exact standards.
Cleanliness is non-negotiable. These wash systems remove residue without damaging the meat.
Drying is just as precise as washing. Too much moisture and quality drops, so this step matters. Every portion is checked down to the gram. That's how factories keep quality consistent at scale.
Everything is aligned perfectly, no piece out of place. This prep step sets the stage for precise, hygienic packaging. Each portion finds its perfect tray, no shortcuts. Precision is key to maintain quality at this scale.
This is the final check before packaging. From here, the meat moves forward, clean, calibrated, and ready.
Every tray gets a precise label, traceable from factory to store. No shortcuts here, only consistency and quality.
Cold holding preserves freshness and locks in quality. Every tray stays perfectly stable until shipment. Cold holding preserves freshness and locks in quality. Every tray stays perfectly stable until shipment. Each pallet is handled carefully, nothing rushed. Forklifts move trays safely toward trucks for delivery. Refrigerated trucks maintain the cold chain all the way to stores. Every pallet is positioned securely for safe transport. Freshly packed meat heads out, cold chain fully intact. Every tray is tracked from factory to the store. The journey keeps the meat fresh and safe. Temperature monitored every mile of the way. The journey keeps the meat fresh and safe. Temperature monitored every mile of the way. Delivery made directly to the store's cold section. Each pallet still perfectly chilled and organized. Ready for shoppers. Every tray perfectly presented. Clean, aligned, and easy to grab. Shoppers pick up perfectly packaged, chilled meat. From factory to table, freshness is guaranteed.
Every tray opens to reveal premium, fresh Cobra meat. Consistency from factory to kitchen. No compromises.
Trimming ensures perfect portion control. Every piece is ready for the cooking stage.
Spices and herbs bring out flavor perfectly. Every portion gets the same even coating.
Even heat creates that perfect golden brown texture. Consistency is key. Every portion cooks uniformly.
Presentation is everything, making it look as good as it tastes. Each plate gets the same precise attention.
From factory to table, freshness and flavor preserved. Every bite delivers premium quality, just like it left the production line. Every step is handled by trained professionals using strict safety protocols. Control, precision, and calm handling are the top priorities.
Make sure the labels are facing out on that row.
Got it. Lining them up now.